ito na ang books na magpapabago ng buhay financial mo. Ito yun, ang ating Ipunaryo Series 4 books ni Sir Chinkitan. Ang ating My Budget Diary. Matuto kang mag-budget para yumaman. Ang ating simple and effective ways. Budgeting diary to achieve a stress-free life. At may kasama itong Diary of Ifulubi, ang ating The 22 Money Lessons on how to avoid going broke. Kay Chinkitan na books po ito, at ang ating May Ipon Diary. So maging ipunaryo ka para maging milyonaryo. Ito yung a simple to use savings diary to help you achieve your financial